everybody, it's Jenny here. I'm back again with another great camp activity that anybody can do. A couple weeks ago, we made twisty friendship bracelets. Now that video is on this page, so if you haven't made that yet, make sure you check that out. Today though, I thought we could make another pretty simple friendship bracelet that anybody can do. That's right, we're gonna make a knotted friendship bracelet. For today's bracelet, you're gonna need a pair of scissors. You're gonna need some embroidery floss. You can also use yarn. It'll be a lot thicker, but you can use it. So you'll need some embroidery floss. And you'll definitely need a clip or a safety pin of some sort. It'll be important to keep this friendship bracelet tight while you make it. Now, I've already picked 8 colors. That's right, 8 colors for my bracelet. And what you're going to need is to first measure it out. Now, I've mentioned before on my twisty friendship bracelet, I like to use the finger to nose method. So in order to measure this out, which I've already done, you're gonna take your string from your nose all the way out to the end of your fingertips. See, I did mine a little longer than that, but that's about how much string you're gonna need today. So once you've measured it out, then you're gonna make sure that you get a nice good knot. Take the one end, make a loop, and then pull that end through. Let's see if I can get this right. About there. Now you're gonna take this knot and either your safety pin or your clip. If you're using the clip, you're going to clip just above that knot. And then if you're using the safety pin, you can go right through the knot to attach it. Now you're gonna need to attach this to something that doesn't move very easy. So you might wanna try a tennis shoe. I haven't been wearing shoes much recently for some reason, but you could put on a pair of tennis shoes and attach it to that. You could attach it to a heavy Nalgene bottle if it's filled with water. Or if you ask a parent, you could see if you can attach it maybe to a piece of furniture so it doesn't move very easily. But find something heavy that isn't gonna move that you can attach it to. Today I'm gonna use a clip with my string. So I'm gonna take this clip, I'm gonna put it right over top of my knot so it's right above there. And then I'm gonna attach it to my favorite shoe. That's right, my Chacos. So I'm gonna pull this down and attach it just right to the end of my shoe. So it's ready to go. In order to make this, you're gonna have to pull one color out from the rest. So I'm gonna start with my blue string, and I've got the rest in the other hand. And in order to start the knot, I'm gonna make a 4 with that string, put the string over, pull it through the 4, just like that. And then I'm gonna pull that tight all the way down. Okay, so that's one knot. I'm gonna do that again. So I made my 4, pull it through, and pull that all the way down. Okay, again, I make my 4, pull it through, and pull that knot all the way down. Now I'm gonna do this probably about 10 times with this string. So that was 3 times, that's 4. I'm gonna do, we'll do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I'll pull this off so that you can see what this is starting to look like. So I've made my 10 knots. Let me pull this off my shoe. And now you can see what this is starting to look like. It's pulling that color all the way down. So now I'm gonna change to another color. I guess I started with my green. And then I'm gonna change to my next lightest green because that's my choice. It's simple enough to change. I'm gonna pull that green color out of the rest. That first color that I used is gonna go back in with the rest of them. So now I've got my one new string. Here's the other ones that I'm using. And again, I'm just gonna separate those out from each other. One danger of this is you can end up with a nice big knotted mess. So it'll be important to try to keep these strings as neat and tidy as possible. All right, now that I've shown you how this is done, I'm going to clip this back to my shoe, and I'm just gonna work for a little while, and then I can show you a little bit more what this turns out to look like. I just noticed that the colors match my chacos. Make sure while you're doing this that you're keeping that other set of strings pretty tight so that you've got good knots going. Okay, now that I've gone a little bit, I'm gonna take this off so I can show you what it is starting to look like. Okay, so you'll be able to see here, see how those stripes are starting to come through of the different colors. So you're just gonna keep going and changing those colors all the way until it's as long as you want that bracelet to be. It's gonna take me a little while, but I'll come back and show you when mine is done. Okay, I think I have finished my bracelet. The way you know if you're done is you'll just have to kind of measure it around either like a wrist or an ankle or wherever you may think you want it. So I'm gonna take it off so I can show you here. Let me unclip that, and now you'll see here's what my bracelet looks like. All those colors in one. And I knew I was done because when I wrap it around my wrist, you'll see it comes together about where those two knots meet. I could probably go a little further on my bracelet. I could probably make a few more colors, but I'm gonna stop right there for now. So that's how you make a simple knotted, or you could call this a wrap, friendship bracelet. If you like this craft, remember to like, to comment, to share it so that other people can see it too. And make sure that you let me know if there are other things that you would like to try. Until then, have fun.